How to add a payment method in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the dashboard, tap on either the deposit or withdraw button depending on whether you want to add a payment method for depositing funds or withdrawing them. Next, select the type of payment method you want to add, such as bank card, e-wallet or cryptocurrency option. Enter the required details carefully, including card number, account information or wallet credentials, depending on the method you choose. Double check all the information to ensure it is accurate. Once you have completed the details, confirm the information and the payment method will be linked to your Exness account. From now on, you can use this method for deposits or withdrawals without having to re-enter your information. Remember to always use verified and secure payment methods to avoid delays or issues when transferring funds. Now you know how to add a payment method in Exness. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.